Happy Valentine's Day. Go show your sister.
Grab your sister, Jackson. Grab your sister.
Iris. My other
Is this what you guys got for Valentine's Day? Oh my goodness. She got a bunch of Minnie Mouse bubbles. Jackson, what did you get?
I got Josephine.
Lightning McQueen?
I got my baby.
It's your own blanket?
Yeah.
What? Look at this big balloon. Whoa, those look like some cool bubbles.
That bird, Ma. That bird, Ma.
Yeah?
That bird, me, Ma.
Wow, it's big, huh?
My daddy.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Awesome.
Iris, baby girl, what else did you get?
I got this, Ma.
She got a Minnie Mouse sweater.
Oh my goodness.
She got the matching pants for it.
What?
I got that bird.
You got gummy bears?
Yeah.
Lucky boy. Look at this Minnie Mouse baby. You're welcome.
That's my toes and Mama, Mama.
You got a sweater and you got PJs. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. I hope everyone's having an awesome day. I already have my coffee, and for our little breakfast, I'm making waffles. Because in the morning, I'm making waffles. Let's see how I did here. Oh, I need to put a little more batter, but I haven't made waffles in forever. Here is my Valentine's Day breakfast. Jackson, you want to come look at it? What are those? It's hard to tell, but they're hearts. We did our best. Actually, I don't think Jackson's feeling all that well today, so we're gonna give him a pass on his reaction. You want some syrup?
Yeah.
I got you. Why don't you come sit down? I got some syrup for you. Carlos decided he would eat the leftovers of my hearts. Whoa. Oh my goodness. It is windy. No, no tornado.
Cow.
Holy cow. You guys, we have a winter storm coming. Winter storm coming to North Carolina. Fingers crossed it's true. This will be our first ever snowstorm here in North Carolina that we actually will be witnessing. So I'm super excited, but I have to find all our stuff. And the other time it snowed, we were already in Tennessee and I left all our stuff there. So I have to find our current snow stuff here so that we can enjoy the snow tomorrow. I'm so excited. I'm like super bummed now because I knew this storm was coming. So like 5 days ago on Amazon, I bought a snow sled because we don't have a snow sled. And I was supposed to get it today and it told me today that I'm not getting it today. That's a classic Amazon. So now we don't have a snow sled. So we might have to go shopping today. We'll see though. Me and Jackson are headed out here in the garage. The garage is just a disaster. This is like our nightmare because we obviously want to move. So we have like a ton of stuff in the garage. So it's awful, I know. All right, I guess if I can do this without Carlos. He's putting Iris down for a nap, so I'm on my own. What are you looking for?
My parts, Mom. Up, Mama parts, Mom.
Where? Where do you think it is? I'm not sure exactly what he's looking for, but... Oh, in here?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I did.
You want that?
Yeah.
Oh, all right, you work on that. I am on a mission. All right, what am I gonna do? Would be pretty cool if I, first box I look in, it had it.
Yes, Mom.
You found what you wanted? See lots of sweaters in here. All of Carlos's long sleeves.
Oh,
I see my snow jacket. Oh, yeah, Carlos's snow pants. All right, we found some stuff. Not everything, though. That's weird. I don't like when that happens. Still looking for my snow pants, and if we can, Jackson's original snow pants, which might fit Iris. That's a tough one, though. All right, we're in another box. This looks promising as well for some reason, okay? We got sweaters. Definitely got some beanies. Yeah, bud. Oh, wow. Nice. What's in here? Oh, Ugh, more toys. Honestly, if they're not in here, I don't even own snow pants. That is looking promising. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, we hit the jackpot in here. Oh, there we go. Oh, thank you. I found everything. Snow jacket. So many snow jackets. We were at once very prepared. More snow jackets. Another snow jacket. When does it end? Another snow jacket. What? I have 2. More snow jackets. What? All right, you guys, finding my snow gear and everybody else's snow gear was a success. I found more than I was even asking for, too. What do you got?
I got mine.
You ready for the snow tomorrow?
Yeah.
Now we better get snow tomorrow. It's gonna be very.
I know. Now I really built it up.
Take it off, Mom.
Take it off. You can take it off. I found my snow jacket as well. And we found tons of snow pants. I found these snow pants. Found these snow pants, found these waterproof pants, found these snow pants, these snow pants. We were stacked with snow pants. Besides the ones for Iris, which we bought Jackson a pair of snow pants like a few years ago. And we don't know where we put them. I didn't give them to Jamie, so I don't know where they are. We might have to keep looking, otherwise Iris is just gonna be not in the snow really, which is probably fine anyways. I just wanted her to like maybe be able to go out in the snow, but we'll see. We might have to go to the store anyways, because like I said, we don't have a sled, which is a huge bummer, and she don't have any snow stuff. So we'll see what we end up doing. Jax, what did I find?
Sorry, Mom.
You got a snow sled? Whoop, 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 whoop. I literally got like one of the last sleds at a little store that I've never been to out here. And it was like one of the last couple ones. But I got it. Secured a sled for tomorrow if it does snow. Which, it better snow, right? It's snowing, right?
Better now. You got too excited.
I know, I got way too hyped up here, you guys.
Not tough, Mom.
Say mama.
Mama.
Oh, good job. Say banana. Nana.
Nana.
Wow. Can you say uh-oh? Can you say uh-oh? Ooh. Wait. I'm not done. Come on. Can you say wawa? Can you say wawa? Come here. Come here. I feel like Iris is up to not 10 words, but I feel like close to 10 words. I know we've got mama, nai.
She says dada.
She does say dada, but not very often.
She says it in
Dada.
the morning when I come and get her.
Does she?
She says it now.
She says uh-oh. She says banana. She says wawa today. What else does she say?
Thank you.
Thank you all the time. She was very, very polite. Very good manners.
Baba. Dada.
Oh, who is this? Is this Bandit? Can you say thank you?
Dada.
You're welcome, baby.
It's so sweet. Can you say nai?
Nana.
What else can she say? You say wawa? This your wawa?
Asister.
Excavator. That's a tough one, huh?
Yeah.
We made a lot of progress though. What was excavator before?
All he did was the.
So we made great progress.
So now he's trying a lot, so it's awesome that he's doing a lot better. What is this? Oh, what is this?
Bow.
Ball, yes!
Board matches.
Does the ball go on your head?
No. Oh yeah, me, Mom. No.
Oh yeah, you're real good at that.
Uh-oh.
Say no.
That.
No.
Oh, take it. We'll take it. Thank you. Thank you. You say no?
No.
Yay!